Okay, working on a Chevy Tahoe hood. Something kicked up off the freeway and hit it, and this thing is pretty deep. Aluminum hood, so depth is not my friend on something like this. I'll show you in the light here. You can see they're pretty deep. The top one is less deep, so I assume that one's going to be perfect. I think the bottom one might be a little bit stretched. But it's so close to the edge here that we should be okay with strength left in the metal. So I'm gonna work on these for a little while. There's just little tiny holes underneath here that I'm gonna sneak tools into and see if we can get these things to come out. Lots of heat when working with aluminum and with depth. So yeah, this is gonna be a tough one, but we'll give it a shot. See how it comes out. All right, I just finished these super deep dents in the hood of the Tahoe, and I'm actually really happy how they came out. So you can see the two little chips, one right there and one right there. Just a little bit of touch up, but you can see from straight on they look pretty great. I'll show you guys in the light, then I'll give you a natural reflection of what the customer would see. So they actually came out really flat, maybe tiny bit high. The customer should be super happy. Let me show you what it looks like walking by it in real life here without our LED lights. Maybe just a slight little wave there. Get you on the other side. So you see the chips right there. Come back here. Tiny little wave. Yeah, almost perfect, not quite, but I'm pretty happy with it. I'm sure the customer will be as well. Thank you for watching.